Welcome to our channel dedicated to road traffic management. Our channel is all about sharing tips and strategies for minimizing traffic and making your daily commute smoother and more efficient. So join us on this journey towards better road traffic management, and let's make our roads safer and more enjoyable for everyone.
Namaste, ladies and gentlemen. Today, I would like to draw your attention to a critical issue that affects our daily lives in the city, the slow traffic caused by poor drainage systems. In the next minute, I will explain why this problem occurs and propose a solution to overcome it. Firstly, let's understand why traffic gets slow in the city due to poor drainage systems. During heavy rainfall, the inadequate drainage infrastructure fails to efficiently channel the water away from the roads. As a result, water accumulates on the streets, creating puddles and even flooding in some areas. This standing water becomes a major obstacle for vehicles, causing them to slow down or come to a complete halt. The flow of traffic is severely disrupted, leading to frustrating delays and congestion. Now, let's move on to the solution to overcome this issue. The key lies in improving and investing in our drainage systems. By enhancing the infrastructure, we can ensure that rainwater is swiftly drained away from the roads, allowing traffic to flow smoothly even during heavy downpours. This can be achieved through various measures such as constructing larger and more efficient drains, implementing effective stormwater management techniques, and regularly maintaining and cleaning existing drainage systems. In conclusion, the slow traffic in our city due to poor drainage systems is a significant problem that affects us all. However, by prioritizing and investing in the improvement of our drainage infrastructure, we can create a more resilient and efficient road network. This will not only alleviate traffic congestion but also enhance road safety and improve the overall quality of life for everyone in our city. Thank you for your attention. Let's work together to make our city's roads better equipped to handle the challenges of heavy rainfall and ensure smoother traffic flow for all.